Welcome, in front of me is a Niteo Tools Titan, and today I'll show you how to enable and set up the portable hotspot. And to get started, let's open up settings. From here you want to tap on more and then choose tethering and portable hotspot, where you'll find Wi-Fi hotspot. There you go. And in here we have the option to customize it. So number one, basic settings. Keep Wi-Fi hotspot on. You can set it to be, it looks like always, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. That is idle, so when no one is using it. So this is actually a good option. It will allow you to turn it on and not actually have to turn it off once no one is using it or once you're done with it. And then we have set up Wi-Fi hotspot, so I'll go in here and tap on the network name. This will be the Wi-Fi name basically, and you can change it if you want to. I'm gonna make it a little bit shorter. Then we have the password, probably the most important part of it. You can tap on show password, and as you can see, it's just some kind of randomly generated password. So you can remove this one and set your own. Now it needs to have at least 8 characters in length, and once it does, you'll be able to save it. Then below that we have the AP band. It looks like there's only one option, so not really much choice here. And then the maximum amount of users that can be connected at once is 6, so you can tap on the drop down and change it if you want to less or more. And from there tap on save, and this is basically all set. Now rest of this is just basic information. So you have connected users, as you can see, blocked users because you can block people from connecting to your hotspot, and you can either enable the hotspot from here by just simply tapping on it, or also I believe there is a, yep, there it is, hotspot toggle right over here. Now as you can also see in the notification, there is the notification about it. So tethering hotspot active shows you how many people are connected and how many are blocked. And you can either disable it yourself if you're done with it by tapping on it, or simply waiting that 5 or 10 minutes till it turns off by itself if it's set to. And that is basically how you would set it up. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.